The courtroom was tense as the twin siblings, Marcus and Maya, stood beside their mother, Denise, a proud black woman who had sacrificed everything to raise them alone. They were there to fight an unjust eviction from the small apartment where the three had built their life together. Denise had missed rent payments after losing her job due to illness, and the landlord had refused all pleas for patience. The judge presiding over the case was Judge William Hartman, a stern, composed older white man with a reputation for fairness, but little warmth. From the bench, Judge Hartman studied the family closely, something flickering behind his eyes as he watched the twins speak in their mother's defense. Marcus, passionate and articulate, spoke of his mother's unwavering strength. Maya, poised and calm, recounted the nights their mother skipped meals so they could eat, how she worked double shifts just to afford their books and shoes. Their words echoed in the courtroom, drawing sympathetic glances from even the opposing attorney. But Judge Hartman seemed visibly shaken. As Denise took the stand, she hesitated, then spoke with quiet steel in her voice. "I never thought I'd see you again, William," she said, her gaze locked on the judge. A gasp rippled through the room. Judge Hartman's expression froze. "Excuse me, you don't remember me. 20 years ago, we met in college. I told you I was pregnant. You told me you weren't ready for that kind of responsibility. You disappeared." The courtroom fell silent. Marcus and Maya turned to look at the judge, disbelief and confusion washing over their faces. Judge Hartman swallowed hard, color draining from his face. His hands trembled slightly as he removed his glasses. "I didn't know," he said, his voice hoarse. "You knew?" Denise replied, pain cutting through her voice like glass. "You chose to walk away." Marcus took a step forward. "You're saying he's our father?" The judge could barely meet their eyes. In that moment, the power dynamics shifted. He was no longer the man behind the bench. He was the man who had abandoned them. After a long pause, Judge Hartman cleared his throat. "This case is dismissed," he said quietly. "The eviction is overturned, and I'd like to speak with you all outside of court." Denise stood, her children beside her, dignity intact. She didn't need saving, but the man who had once left them behind might now face the reckoning he had avoided for decades. And maybe, just maybe, healing could begin.